Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to get those hard-earned funds into your Beam wallet? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at the screen, feeling a bit lost in the process. But fear not, because today, we're breaking down the steps in a simple, easy-to-follow guide. So, grab your device, let's dive in and get that money flowing. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand why you'd even want to transfer funds to your Beam wallet. Beam, as you know, is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and security. It offers a unique way to transact online while maintaining control over your financial data. By topping up your Beam wallet, you unlock a world of possibilities, from making secure online purchases to sending private payments to friends and family. Alright, let's get down to business. There are a few common methods to transfer money to your Beam wallet, and we'll cover them all today. 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. This is probably the most popular method. Many cryptocurrency exchanges support Beam trading. You can purchase Beam directly on the exchange using fiat currency, like USD, Euro, etc., or by trading other cryptocurrencies for Beam. Popular exchanges that often support Beam include, list a few popular exchanges here, ensure they are reputable and currently support Beam. Once you've purchased Beam on the exchange, you can easily transfer it to your Beam wallet address. 2. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading platforms. P2P platforms connect buyers and sellers directly. You can find someone willing to sell you Beam for your local currency on platforms like, list a few reputable P2P platforms here. This method can be more flexible in terms of payment methods, but it's crucial to choose reputable sellers and take necessary precautions to avoid scams. 3. Beam ATMs. While less common than the other methods, Beam ATMs allow you to directly purchase Beam with cash. You can find the nearest Beam ATM using the Beam Explorer or by searching online. Now, let's walk through a simple example of transferring funds from a cryptocurrency exchange to your Beam wallet. First, log into your chosen cryptocurrency exchange account. Navigate to your wallet or trading section and search for Beam. Purchase the desired amount of Beam. The exchange will deduct the equivalent amount from your account balance. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive your Beam in your exchange wallet. Now, open your Beam wallet app on your device. Go to the Receive section and find your unique Beam address. Copy this address to your clipboard. Return to the cryptocurrency exchange and initiate a withdrawal of your Beam. Paste your Beam wallet address into the withdrawal address field. Confirm the withdrawal amount and click Send. The exchange will process the transaction, and your Beam will be transferred to your Beam wallet within a few minutes. Important notes. Always double-check the withdrawal address before confirming any transaction to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. Be mindful of transaction fees. Some exchanges may charge fees for withdrawals. Prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and keep your device and software updated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.